one here. Cardinal. Yeah, it's the root chakra coming as well. You have the stand, the cardinal. Oh, look at that red roses. Yeah, they smell really, really nice. Stand tall and proud. See the leadership role unfolding ahead of you. Speaking of being proud, wow, what an instant confirmation is that. Okay, yeah, you are proud, but you're not boastful. But of course, you are really, you're, as you walk along your path, it keeps on unfolding as well. And that's 0808. And today is the 8th of October. Wow, let's get these two facing up. Says Oriole. Oriole? A new creative venture is on the horizon. See it as a positive change. Oh my goodness. Honestly, it's something to do with your creativity. Yeah. And let's say, let's just take this one, the owl here. Your intuition is correct. Follow your inner wisdom without fail. Hmm. Why this song coming out of the ordinary? I think like you are doing something out of the ordinary. Let's say for example, out of a 9 to 5 job. Yeah, that kind of thing. Don't focus all your energy. Of course, like, you know, we have to work to pay or whatever, pay, you know, to pay like for food and everything like that. But there is something like, don't focus your energy there. Find some time to do this creative venture, because it will be giving you money. This creative venture is gonna be monetized in such way, or you're gonna be earning something from it. But of course, it's it's something that is really unique to you. So don't compare yourself. Even if, let's say, you're doing what you're doing, a lot of people are doing already, but you have your own unique soul signature, and you you're guided to your own soul family as well, or to those people that also are in line with you in your journey. And that's 1010. Can hear that. Confirmation. The eagle. Oh wow.